Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella. My channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to have a simple supper. I'm making fried bologna sandwiches. So come on, let's get started. Okay, what I use the super thick cut Oscar Mayer bologna. I have my skillet heating up. I'm going to go ahead and fry 2 pieces just in case later I want another sandwich. And we're just going to let that fry. Now on my sandwich, I like to add some thinly sliced onion and some tomato and mayonnaise. And if you watched yesterday's video, you know I've been in this kitchen pretty much all day because I made the zucchini bread yesterday. So that is why I just decided just to make fried bologna sandwiches. Use one of these little baby tomatoes out of my garden. I wonder what causes the skin on the tomato to get so tough. So like I said, this is just going to be a quick, simple supper, dinner. I'm still waiting on the breads to get cooled completely so I can slice them and get that video out to you all. Now, if you eat fried bologna, how dark do you like your bologna? It's not there yet. Add a slice of cheese to each one. I'm using white American. You can use whatever kind you want. And that is how fast and easy supper came together. Salt my tomatoes. Stick the bologna on top. Get the skillet off of the burner. And there you have it. That's how fast dinner came together. Fried bologna sandwich. I want take a bite. It hits the spot. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.